Hello. Yes, in this video we shall be looking at binomial expansion. Okay, and we are going to be using Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle. Okay, Pascal's triangle. Now, let us take for instance we have to expand. We have to expand something like 1 plus 2x raised to the power 6 using Pascal's triangle, and use your expansion to evaluate 1.01 raised to the power 6 to 4 decimal places. Okay, let's check out this question. Now, to use Pascal's triangle, this particular binomial expansion is raised to the power 6. So we're going to be using Pascal's triangle to get the initial coefficient of our expansion. So what do I mean by that? How does Pascal's triangle work? So now this is Pascal's triangle. 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1, and then we have 1 5 10 10 5 1. So we're going to power 6. This is power 0 1 2 3 4 5, then 6. The sixth one, 1 6 15 20 15 6, and then 1. Okay, so definitely the powers we're going to be using, the coefficients we're going to be using is this for this particular expansion. Okay, so we're going to be using 1 6 15 20 15 6 1 for our expansion here. So now let's get started. Okay, how do we expand this? We have 1 plus 2x raised to the power 6. The first number here, the first term, is going to carry the highest power. Then the next term will be raised to power 0. And then it will get reduced. Okay, so as the first term is reducing in power, the second term is increasing in power. What do I mean by that? So let's get started. Now this will be equal to, the first coefficient is 1, so we have 1 multiplied by, the first term here is 1, okay, multiplied by the second term, 2x raised to power, okay, the first term is 1 raised to power 6, 2x now raised to power 0, plus the second coefficient, that will be 6 multiplied by the first term, which is 1. This time around it will be raised to power 5, okay, multiplied by 2x. This time around we raise to power 1. So as this power is reducing, this will be increasing, plus the next coefficient is going to be 15 multiplied by the first term, 1. This time around it was raised to power 5 before, so it's going to be raised to power 4 multiplied by 2x raised to power 2, plus then we have the next coefficient is 20, plus 20 multiplied by 1 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2x raised to power 3. This was raised to power, 1 was raised to power 4 here, So here is going to reduce to 3. Meanwhile, this second term, which is 2x, was 2 here raised power 2 was raised power 2 here, so it will increase by 1 as well. You discover that the power, both powers, when added, it will be equal to what? Power 6, which was the initial one here. So plus the next one, the coefficient is 5 than 15 rather. So we have 15 multiplied by 1 raised to power 2, 2x raised to power 4, plus we have 6, so that's the next coefficient. Then multiply by the first term here, which is 1 multiplied by 2x, 1 raised to power 1, 2x raised to power 5, plus, then we have 1, which is the last coefficient there. 1 multiplied by the first term here, which is 1. It was raised to power 1 here, is going to be raised to power 0, multiplied by 2x raised to power 6. Then let's simplify. So we're going to be having 1 multiplied by 1 raised to power 6 is still 1, multiplied by 2x raised to power 0, which is still 1. So the whole of this is 1, plus 6. 1 raised to power 5 is 1, multiplied by 6, that's 6, multiplied by, okay, let me do it this way, 2x, alright, plus 1 raised to power 4 is 1, so we have 15 times 2x raised to power 2, that will be 4x squared, plus 20 times 1 raised to power 3 is 20, multiplied by 2x raised to power 3, that will be 2 raised to power 3 is 8, x raised to power 3. Then plus 15 times 1 raised to power 2 is still 15, multiplied by 2x raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 4, okay, 2 raised to power 4, that's 16, right, x raised to power 4, plus 6 multiplied by 1, then 2 raised to power 5, which is 32, x raised to power 5, plus, then 1 times 1 is 1, 2 raised to power 6, that's 64, x raised to power 6. Alright, so let's clean this up. We're going to have 1 plus 12x plus 60x squared plus 160x power 3 plus, yeah, alright, 240 x power 4 plus, so we have 2 192 x power 5 plus 64 x power 6, and so that's it. So we're going to be using that expansion now to evaluate 1.01 raised to power 6. How are we going to do that? Okay, using our expansion. How do we use this expansion to get 1.01 raised to power 6? All we just need to do is to equate this 1 plus 2x raised to power 6 to 1.01 raised to power 6. Okay, and so that shows that this 1 plus 2x would be equal to 1.01. All right. So that means that shows that 2x will be equal to 1.01 minus 1. So x will be actually 0.01 divided by 2, so which is 0.005. So 0.005 is x from here. So what we need to do is to substitute this 0.05 into all of this. Okay, so once that is done, we're going to get our result. So go and try that. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.